With vScope service mapping, you can quickly create dashboards about your IT service delivery. This is a powerful way of gathering scattered information about your IT assets in the context of IT services. Everything in one place, automatically updated and easy to access for everyone. Let me show you how I create a basic report about my services. I've just created a dashboard that I name IT Service Overview. My plan is to visualize information and to get some shortcuts so that everyone in my team can find information faster and easier. First, I want to add a shortcut to all our services. Let's list all services and some key information such as owner, creation date, service level agreement, vendor, and description. Simply save all IT services and add a shortcut to our dashboard. Next, I want to show everyone any services missing a service owner. This helps us to ensure that we comply with our IT service documentation processes. Filter service owner. Save as. And add to the dashboard. And finally, let's add something that lists every server asset that is not connected to a service. It will help us find whenever there are servers that needs to be documented in IT service. List all machines. Add some information such as IP running, lost boot, and a comment. Filter to show only those missing a service connection. Once again, I save and then add to a dashboard. Here's what the dashboard looks like after adding a few widgets. In just a couple of minutes, we have a good start for our IT service overview, helping everyone in the team to have easy access to the same information at the same time.